Morning students. Now today we are going to learn about transversal. Now what is transversal? A line that intersects two or more lines at distinct point is called a transversal. See in the given figure there are two lines L and M, right? And one line which is intersect at the two distinct point like X and Y, right? So line P is intersect to the line L at point at point X and at line M at point Y, right? So we can say line P is a transversal of line L and W, right? See the second figure. There are also different three lines, but it is not a transversal because it cannot be intersect at two distinct point, right? They are already passing from the same point. Got it? Now by intersecting, due to the transversal of two intersecting lines, 8 angles are formed. How many? 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? So now we are going to discuss, very first we'll discuss about the different types of angles, yeah, made by a transversal. Angles made by a transversals. See the first, interior angles. Now from the words only we come to know interior means what? It's lying inside the figure, right? Are known as what? Interior angles. See, look at here. Angle 3, 4, 5 and 6 are the what? Interior angle. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. However, interior as it is exterior. 1, 2, 7, 8. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 8 are the four exterior angles. Now then after pairs of corresponding angles. Now pairs of corresponding angles. See here, angle 1, angle 5. One exterior, one interior. Angle 1, angle 5. As it is, see on another side, angle 2, angle 6. Third, angle 3. One is interior, another is exterior. Angle 7. Angle 4, angle 8. Got it? So how many pairs we got it over here? 4 pairs. How many? 4 pairs. Pair of corresponding angles. Angle 1, angle 5. One exterior, interior, exterior, interior, interior, exterior. Got it? So it is known as what? 1-to-1 corresponds pairs of corresponding. Now then after pairs of alternate interior angles. See here, angle 3 and angle 6. We'll look at here. So I think so. Angle 3, angle 6. As it is on other side, which angle? Angle 4, angle 5. Got it? Angle 3, angle 6, angle 4, angle 5. The what? Pair of alternate interior angles. Alternate as well as what? Interior. Got it? Next, pairs of alternate exterior. Pairs of alternate and exterior. Angle 1, angle 1, angle 8. One 8. As it is on other side, angle 2, which is another 7. Angle 1, angle 8, angle 2, angle 7. So all of you understood about the alternate interior angles. Alternate interior 3, 6, 4, 5. Alternate exterior 1, 8, 2, 7. Got it? Now next, pairs of interior angles on the same sides. On the same side of the transversal. Means on the left side as well as on the right side. Now see over here. See, it's a maybe the left side and it's a right side. By the transversal, figure is divided in two. See, it's a right side of the transversal, right? This is the right side. So pairs of interior angles. So 4 and which 6 on the same side, right? Pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal, right? As well as on another side 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Angle 4 and angle 6. And second angle 3 and angle 3 and angle 5. See on the right side 4 and 6 as well as on the left side that part. So suppose we hide the part, so you will get most better idea. 3 and 5 the left side as well as on the right side. Look at here, interior, right? Pairs of interior angles on the same side. So right hand side 4 and 6. Got it? Sorry, 4 and 6 and 3 and 5. So all of you understood about the different pairs of angle. Once again, interior angles 1 pair, so 2 pairs. Exterior angles 2 pairs. Pairs of corresponding angles 4 pairs. Pairs of alternate interior angles 2 pairs. Pairs of alternate exterior 2 pairs, and pairs of interior angles on the same side of a transversal, how many? 2 pairs. Got it? Now on the basis of it, we'll try to understand the exercise 5.2 on page number 110. See in your textbook, state the property that is used in each of the following statements. If angle A parallel angle B, then angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. when two lines are parallel, right? Suppose A and B are what parallel angle, then angle 1 and angle 5. So angle 1 and angle 5 is a what pair of corresponding, so we can say what it is a equal, it is what equal. Got it? Now second is what equal. Now second, if angle 4 is equal to angle 6, angle 4 is equal to angle 6, then A parallel B. If we talk about angle 4 and angle 6 is about pair of alternate angle. What it is? Pair of alternate angles. So it is also right. Right. Now third, if angle 4 plus angle 5, angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree, then A parallel B. So if two lines, what it is angle 4 and angle 5, it's about interior angles. So interior angles are what supplementary. So angle 4 and 5 is equal to 180. It is a what? Right. Because why? Interior, pair of interior are supplementary. So all of you understood? Sure. Good. Now onwards from second example, we will continue in next period. Okay. Bye.